Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I want to show you how to buy Shiba Inu on Robinhood. Okay, so as you can see, I have the buying power of $5.01, and we're going to look for Shiba Inu. So along the very bottom, you'll see multiple options. You're going to click on the magnifying glass. Okay, from here, you're going to search for Shiba Inu. So I'm going to click on the search bar at the top, and I'm going to type in Shiba, and you'll see right there, under cryptos, Shiba Inu, also known as SHIB. So we're going to click right there. At the very bottom, you see an option to buy. You could also just see it's live tracking whether it's going up or going down. So we're going to click on buy. And right here, you're going to type in the amount of Shiba Inu that you would like to purchase. So let's just say I'm just going to buy the full amount that I have in my buying power. I'm going to buy $5.01 worth of Shiba Inu, and then after you determine how much Shiba Inu you want to buy, you're going to click on review. Now it says I have not enough buying power. That's because Shiba Inu is constantly fluctuating, so I could choose to make it a limit order, or we could just lower the amount of Shiba Inu I would like to purchase. Let's just make it a limit order here, and I'm just going to buy $5.01 worth of Shiba Inu, and at that price of 0.0000267, which is an estimated of 187,000 Shiba Inu coins. So I'm going to click on review, and then I'm just going to swipe up to submit. Insufficient holdings again. Okay, so I'm still having issues, in which case we're just going to buy, let's just say, $4.50 worth of Shiba Inu. So I have $5 worth of buying power, however, it's not able to fulfill my order. So let's just buy $5.50 worth, click on review and swipe up. And it's going to be sending the order, and there we go. The order has been complete. I currently have 168,000 Shiba Inu coins. So that in a nutshell is how you buy Shiba Inu on Robinhood. If it's telling you don't have sufficient buying power, just lower the amount a little bit and then try that amount and seeing if the order goes through. If you're doing a limit order, you just have to wait for Shiba Inu to hit that limit price. So if you have any additional questions, be sure to leave it in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys later.